Let's go to the park. Presentation outline. Introduction. Location. Activities in the park. Benefits of going to the park. Things to bring. Rating the park. Reminders. Hi. I'm Siam. I love going to the park. I enjoy riding the bike, reading books, and relaxing under the trees. Today, we will plan for our little trip to go to the park for a memorable experience. Model Park. Model Park is located near our school. It is accessible by bus, bike, and car. It has a lake and a lot of benches to sit on. Activities in the park. Ride the bike. We can rent a bike for 20 rupees per hour or bring our own. Model Park has good pavements, making it safe to ride a bike around the place. Make sure to wear proper biking attire. Relax and chat. The sunny weather is perfect to relax and appreciate nature in Model Park. The relaxing ambience is perfect to have deep conversations with your friends. Model Park also has cats, pigeons, and other animals for animal lovers. Have a picnic. Let's pack some sandwiches and snacks. The park is the perfect place to have brunch with the view of the sunset and fresh air. Benefits of going to the park. Restores your mental health. Exposure to nature improves psychological and social health. Be connected with nature. Seeing trees and animals lets you connect with nature. A place to exercise. Parks, greenways, and trails enable and encourage people to exercise. Fresh air. A breath of fresh air is good for your mental and physical health. Things to bring. Bring your favorite book to read under the trees. You will need an umbrella in case it gets too sunny to protect your skin from the heat. Bring a water jug to stay hydrated during our trip outdoors. 5 stars. Model Park is one of my favorite hangout places. Reminders. Do not feed the animals. Visit the park early in the morning. Be mindful of your belongings. See you at Model Park.
Thanks for watching our channel Whitech Academy. Like, comment, and subscribe.